Today, I'm going to show you how to view your Reels watch history on Instagram. If you've ever wanted to revisit those funny or inspiring Reels you've watched, this tutorial is for you, so let's get started. First, let's talk about what Reels watch history is. Unfortunately, as of now, Instagram doesn't provide a direct feature to see a comprehensive history of every reel you've watched. However, there are some workarounds to find these videos you loved. Now, one of the best ways to check your activity is through your activity log. Here's how you can access it. Launch the Instagram app on your device. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap on the three horizontal lines. From the menu, choose your activity. It will show you various options related to your Instagram activity. Scroll down and tap on interactions. While this section mainly covers comments and likes, it can give you clues about your engagement with certain reels. Here you can find likes. Here you can find all the reels you've liked and all the posts that you've liked. Another way to keep track of your reels you like is by saving them. Here's how you can do that for future reference. Now, when you find a reel you love, tap on the three dots and here choose save. Now go to your profile, tap on the three bars and click on saved. Here you can easily access all your saved content. And that's it. While Instagram doesn't currently allow you to see a detailed watch history of every reel, using the activity log saving reels, you can keep track of what you love. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.